In this tutorial, you'll learn how to upload a video file to Google Drive using your laptop or desktop computer. Uploading videos to Google Drive allows you to store and share your video files easily. Let's go through the steps. Launch your preferred web browser on your laptop and go to the Google Drive website. Sign into your Google account if you haven't already. Once you're on the Google Drive homepage, look for the New button. It's usually located in the upper left corner of the screen. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu. In the drop-down menu, hover your cursor over the File Upload option. This will prompt a File Explorer window to open on your computer. Use the File Explorer window to navigate to the location on your computer where the video file is stored. Once you've located the video file, click on it to select it, and then click Open. Google Drive will begin uploading the video file to your drive storage. The time it takes to upload will depend on the size of the video file and your internet connection speed. You'll see a progress indicator to track the upload process. Once the upload is complete, you'll see the video file listed in your Google Drive. You can access it by navigating through your Drive folders or by using the search function. That's it. You successfully uploaded a video file to Google Drive from your laptop or desktop computer. You can now store, share, and manage the video file as needed. If you have any questions about this process or encounter any difficulties, feel free to ask for assistance. And if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more Google Drive tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.